Mas pinaigting pa ng Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG ang kanilang kampanya kontra Pogo sa bansa. Kasabay nito ay hinikayat ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla ang mga alkalde na regular na i-check ang mga resort at hotel na ginagawang Pogo Hub para tuluyan ng matigil ang operasyon ng Pogo sa bansa. Sa pagdinig ng Commission on Appointments, ibinunyag ni Remulla na may ilang Pogo na nag-apply ng permit bilang resort, hotel o restaurant upang itago ang kanilang operasyon. Inahalimbawa ng kalihim ang nangyari sa Lapu-Lapu City sa Cebu na ginagawang front ng Pogo ang mga restaurant, hotel at bar. Binigyang diin ni Remulla na sa ilalim ng Local Government Code ng 1991, may kapangyarihan ng mga mayor na magbigay, magsuspende o magkansela ng permit kapag lumabag sa batas ang isang establishmento. Nauna nang naglabas ng Executive Order No. 74 si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para i-ban ang Pogo, internet gaming at iba pang offshore gaming operations sa bansa.
It's everyone's concern. It's a function of intelligence and a function of the local government to put a stop to it. It should be shared intelligence between the PNP, the NBI, and the PAO and the local government in order to put a stop to this. It's happened. It's happened in Lapu-Lapu. They applied as a restaurant and a KTV and then a resort, and it turned out to be a pool. The LGUs must be fastidious in issuing their business permits, and part of that is inspection of the process. They can inspect and close. It is the prerogative of the mayor kung may nakita siyang violation na ipasara yung establishment.